Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look, you guys. This is my glitter halo eyes. I am in love with the look that I have just created. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. So without wasting any further time, you guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna start out with my halo eye, and we're gonna do the face later. I'm not gonna put the face beauty as a part of the tutorial, but I'm just gonna be focusing on the eye. Now I have just done my brows offline, and I'm gonna start with priming my lid, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Wet Focus eye primer, and I'm just gonna take this on a brush and apply this right on my lid. We're gonna take the Morphe 35B palette today, and I am gonna go with this shade out here, this pink, neon pink shade out here to start off with. And I'm gonna take this on my Pro Art PE22 brush, just dust off the excess. We're gonna place the product first. Do not worry about blending it, we will take care of that. I'm very gently pushing the product here. And now I'm just gonna start blending this. Keep in mind, this is a halo eye look, so you gotta do a lot of blending, and you have to make sure that the colors are really filled in well. Dipping back in the 35B palette, I'm gonna go with this purple shade out here. I'm taking this on my Pro Art AE25 brush. I'm gonna place this again in my crease, and I'm just gonna make sure that I build it quite well. From the same palette, I'm gonna take a little of the black shade, and I'm gonna apply this right at the corner of my eye. Make sure you start off with a very less pigment and slightly start placing it in the outer corner of the eye, and without dipping in any further product, just go in the inner corner of the eye as well. I'm going to start blending this very slightly with the help of the purple shade that we used in the crease earlier. I'm going to take my Age Rewind concealer. Now this is a very light shade of the concealer. I'm going to take a tiny bit of this, and with a brush I'm going to straight up apply this right at the center of my lid. The reason I've done this is because when I apply another shade out here in the middle, it will just pop out a little more, and it'll just get more intensified, and that's the reason why I've used a lighter concealer. Now with the same palette, I'm gonna go with this shimmery green shade out here, and I'm placing this directly on the concealer. I've applied the setting spray so that it just starts popping. Now I'm going to go back with the same purple and black shade to blend out the edges of the green shimmer that we've just applied. I'm going to go with my silver eyeliner. I'm now going to take a black eyeliner and just make a wing line. So more or less guys, this is how it should be looking. I'm just gonna clean off everything. I'm gonna do my face, and I will be back. I've just put on some lashes, and this is the final look. This is my halo glitter eye look. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be coming back with a lot of episodes like this, a lot of looks like this. Till then, stay beautiful. Bye.